its way.
I have yet to sleep.
You're gonna sleep on the plane.
It's gonna be a delightful plane ride.
I slept. I woke up 2 hours ago.
Mistake.
I drank caffeine. I feel fine. He's crazy. But off we go.
I have our tickets and Hannah's gonna make sure I get on the plane.
Yeah. I'm so tired and so hungry.
Later.
We're officially in New York, so I gotta wear my Law and Order shirt to bed. Say hi.
Love you, babe. So good.
Morning, bagel.
Good morning.
Good morning. And we are headed to the Natural History Museum. We gotta go to Central Park and walk through it. And it is a freezing, gorgeous day.
It is so gorgeous and not at all freezing. It's actually super warm and I don't know why I need a jacket.
But I got really distracted and forgot to film anything.
What are we trying to film right now?
Dinosaurs. We are getting our first piece of pizza.
And our second piece of pizza. I got two.
Your pizza. That was pretty solid.
That's hot.
We just finished seeing Heather's. It was so good. And what do you think?
It was definitely not Mean Girls. I loved it.
I told him nothing going in. And now it's snowing. It's day 2 and we are headed into Brooklyn.
About to get on our second train.
We're gonna go to the Bone Museum.
Why are we going to the Bone Museum?
Because they have a cat. What's it like to work here at the museum, Mr. Bon Jovi? Thank you for your comment. It's greatly appreciated. Doing hard work here. So
We are alive.
it was so cold and the wind was so bad. We almost got blown away, but we have taken shelter in a really sick thrift shop.
Yup, we are gonna be just fine. This is so good. We're at La Industry. It was well worth the drive.
We didn't drive.
Well worth the buses. And the negative cold.
We found yerbs and first bodega cat sighting.
It's so cute.
It is our 3rd day in New York and we are gonna go pet a lot of dogs.
It's time for the dog show.
Meet the breed.
Mm-hmm.
But first breakfast.
But first breakfast. Yeah. We're going to
Breakfast.
breakfast.
just finished Meet the Read. It was amazing. It's still so cold out. We have found a really bougie mall.
We have, and it's gonna be so much fun.
And we're gonna go on a stroll. For one of our final adventures in New York City, I'm getting a tattoo.
We are very excited. It's our second try.
Yeah, they were busy yesterday, but Justice being very supportive and came all the way out to Brooklyn with me.
It was not hard. The subways make everything so easy.